everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm doing your second week of October reading start from the 8th through the 14th of October 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Cancer. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading and I won't be adding charms, so yeah, stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want. I do upload daily readings over there, and if you want, you can check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's find out what is coming for Cancerians for this week time starting tomorrow, 8th of October. Let's begin. The High Priestess, Knight of Cups. Your intuition will be very heightened around an offer, which might be something you have already received, or you do see it coming in this week time from a specific someone. Maybe you have been working with a person and you could pick up the vibe that this person is showing some sort of interest in you, if that's the case. Or maybe, you know, if you know, it can be in any situation. Maybe you go to a park, you go to a gym, you go to somewhere every single day on a regular basis maybe, and you do see it coming already. Or maybe it's somebody from your past and you do see that, you know, offer coming your way already. Your intuition is going to be very heightened when it comes to this offer coming your way. And I feel like, you know, if that's the case with you, you already know what is the true intention of this person coming forward with that offer to make. If the offer has been made already, I feel like, you know, even then too, you will be getting some sort of guidance around this offer that you received recently or that you will be receiving during this time. I feel like, you know, you and your intuition is going to be on spot during this week time, especially around an offer, which is, I feel like, you know, is going to be love offer, but it can be any offer, maybe around your career, work situation, home life situation. It can be, you know, maybe you wanted to purchase something and you are getting this, you know, intuition around it, like maybe this is going to be a good purchase for you. Whatever it is, I do see you getting guidance around it. You already see what is coming along with that. The intention, the luck, the bad luck, whatever it is, you could pick up that vibe already coming with this offer that you are receiving this week time, or you might have already received it. But yes, the intuition is definitely coming this week time. Let's see more cards. Temperance. I do see that you will be guided towards waiting on for, you know, a decision to be made during this week time. You know, if you receive an offer, don't accept it there and then. That's the, you know, that's the message I'm picking up with the intuition. You will be receiving some messages to have some patience around something that you want to decide about, this one offer that you would be receiving. If but I feel like, you know, even if that's the case, if you have to think, if you have to wait, I would suggest you to have positive expectations from this offer, from this, you know, one thing. Like, you know, if suppose, even if you are buying something, or even if you are, you know, accepting a love offer too, just go with the positive mindset around it, with positive expectation. And that's how it will be. If you are going with a fearful mindset, it's going to be something not so positive. So I would suggest you to go with the clean heart, clean slated mind, clean slated heart towards this one thing that you are, you know, that you are having to make a decision about, because that's how you will be able to start something beautiful and start something, you know, without any fear. Don't let your fears stop you. But yes, if you are guided towards, you know, maybe you need to give it some more time before you make a decision around it, then take that time. That's perfectly fine. But while you wait, while you take the, you know, that time to make the decision, I would suggest you to think positive thoughts, think positive, you know, have positive expectations. Just think positive about, like, you know, as if this is going to be the best choice for you to make, as if this is going to be the best person that you are, you know, that you can ever think of. Just have some positive affirmations before you make any decision about this one thing. even though you will be guided, but I would still suggest you to start expecting something good. And maybe, maybe you are being guided to wait. Maybe you will, for some of you, you might have this fear, like, why did she said that I need to wait? Don't have any negative mindset around it, or don't even think negative that why do you need to have some patience to make the right choice here. Not because this offer is not so good, maybe there is a better opportunity coming ahead for you. Maybe it's like it's better for you to to wait to accept this offer because it's going to add to your value in this connection, maybe for some of you. But again, just think positive, just think, just expect positive and think positive and feel positive around it. Even if you have to wait, even if you have to wait the decision right now, just take it in a positive and a lighter note. And that's how you go about it, and everything is going to be good. I feel like, for majority of you, maybe you are being guided to take some time off before you decide, because maybe you have some things from the past to clean the slate from. Like, again, don't move ahead having something, negative in your mind around love and relationships. Again, just stay positive and think positive, and that's how you go about it, and it's gonna end up exactly the way you want. But again, think positive. If it is, if I tell you that everything you're gonna think is going to become your reality this week time, you would be stupid, you would be idiot, you would be doing something back to yourself by thinking negative thought. Because if you knew that every thought that you're gonna think this week time, or just forget this week, just think for right now. If I tell you that, whatever you're going to think for the next 1 minute, it's going to become your reality, what would you do? If you're sensible enough, you would only think something that you desire, not something that you don't desire. So that's exactly what you need to follow the whole week time, and think of the positive outcomes of this connection, the offer that you are expecting. Just imagine, act as if like, you have accepted the most beautiful offer that you could ever receive, and it's like, it's going to be the best thing ever, best choice ever, and stuff like that. And that's how you go about it. And one more card, which is 10 of Pentacles. So that's exactly what you're going to land into if you do what I said. So try to stay positive and everything is going to be good. Underneath the deck, we do have the Hangman. Again, take some time, before you get into it. Your intuition is guiding you. Just listen to that. And I feel like, for some reasons, I feel like, it's asking you to have some patience. Don't take decision there and then. Like, just have some patience. And let's take the Oracle now. Let's see what the Oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Do something for someone. Give your attention to another. If you are on the receiving end of a yes or no from a person, while you wait, again, keep yourself positive. Get yourself busy doing something that you would love, that you would, that would make you feel light and happy. Expect some positive things, positive results, even if you are on the waiting side of, receiving a yes or no from a person. Keep yourself positive. Give your time and attention to the things which are going to uplift your energy, uplift your, excitement, uplift your happiness, positivity, instead of, giving it to something or, thinking negative thoughts. Again, try to, while you wait, try to, clean the old slate. Just replace the negative mindset, thoughts, fears with something beautiful, something positive. While you wait, do that. Do something productive while you wait. So yeah, with this message, that's what I'm picking up. Let's take one more card here. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Destiny. Wow. You guys are destined to be together for sure. Yes, there are certain delays, but it's all good for you. The delays are good for you in one way or the other. So just take it that way. You are being guided, you are being protected, your connection is being protected too, is what I'm picking up. So just go about it that way. Take things slow, and everything is going in the right direction. You have nothing to fear about. You have nothing to get fearful about. You have nothing to get anxious about. Just stay positive, do the things that you need to do, and that's how you get what you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.